Today we will be unboxing the VDO360 2C camera. So let's start here. We have a little quick start guide. Personal visual collaboration camera with a 4-element beam-forming microphone array. Cool. So let's pull her out of here. It's kind of a cool, funky looking little camera with USB, so it's easy for people like me who aren't very technical. Let's take a look here. This is the front of the camera with beam-forming microphone array. I would imagine this hooks onto your display or your computer. Let's have a look.
Oh, there we go. Well, that was easy. And as you can tell, the audio and video quality are much better than the recording before. And at an affordable price of $150. Contact Almo Pro AV to get yours today.